Everyone thinks that, oh, the chicken likes to be eaten, and he looks funny, so let's make fun of him on the movies. That is offensive to us chickens. But don't worry, we're trying to fix this. Okay, movies.lionhead.com. Let's see. Oh my god, another chicken movie. Okay, your movie stinks. Stop making fun of us chickens. We don't like to be made fun of, you punks. Several hours later. Okay, there we go. Every chicken movie. Oh my god, another chicken movie. Okay, I need to log in. Okay, password CHICKEN. Oh my god, what's that chicken? And oh, what the hell? I love that name. Don't even get me started on the bird flu. Yeah, the boss wants to see you in his office. Why are you guys wearing hockey masks? It's Friday the 13th day! Oh yeah, it's Friday the 13th day. My crystal ball is saying that you have been stricken with the bird flu virus as of late. Is this assumption correct? Oh wait, what do I mean? It's always correct. Let's just put it out there. You're a frickin' bird. Birds carry the bird flu. It's pretty much common fact, you know what I mean? First off, buddy, I'm not a bird. I'm a chicken. You eat me, okay? You can prove it to me. I am not a bird. I am poultry and I am proud, damn it! Okay, well, I'll have to test you on my, Rupert Murdoch's fair and balanced bird detector. Beep, 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 beep. Oh yeah, what a bird. Oh, that's a bird, alright. Beep, 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 beep. Oh yeah, it pretty much says you're a bird right there. Listen, Mr. Bird, this isn't working out. We have to fire you. Clear out your desk in 30 minutes. Fired? You can't fire me! I'm your number 3 guy in sales! Where am I supposed to go? Am I supposed to go to the chicken slaughterhouse? I won't leave! We made you leave. Good luck with your future. Bird flu. I mean, everywhere I go on the street, there's some asshole who's always like, ah, bird flu, everybody run away! Oh, I can't even ask for directions without causing a scene. Hey, does anyone know if this is the subway for 5th and Grant? Oh, please don't! I'm only asking for directions! Please, don't give me the platform stop! Several minutes later. I don't want to die! I'm not going to die! I told you! I don't have the bird flu! I'm only asking for directions! Okay, I'm gonna ask this one more time. Is this the subway for 5th and Grant? I won't have you! I told you! I don't have the bird flu! I'm a chicken! What do you think those koalas get nuggets were made of? Beets? See me in 10 days. You won't have the bird flu. Stupid police officer thinks I'm a terrorist. Oh, so Muhammad was the prophet of God. I mean, even dogs in the street can't respect me. No, Dougie. Shoot. Shoot. No. No, I'm not a pole. No, puppy, no. Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh! Hold up to my bitches.